B. Ability to interpret common statistical functions, e.g., standard deviation, expected value, correlation, regression, means, modes, etc. The framework specifically identifies statistical concepts such as standard deviation, expected value, correlation, regression, means, and modes as essential analytical tools used to support forecasting, planning, and business decision-making. FP&A resources explain that modern finance professionals increasingly rely on statistical analysis to interpret large volumes of operational and financial data, identify trends, evaluate uncertainty, and improve forecast accuracy. Statistical interpretation enables FP&A teams to transform raw data into actionable business insights that strengthen strategic planning, risk management, and performance evaluation processes. Measures of central tendency such as mean, median, and mode help FP&A professionals summarize financial data and identify underlying business patterns. Means are commonly used to evaluate average sales growth, operating expenses, customer spending, or production performance across periods. Modes help identify the most frequently occurring values within datasets, while medians reduce the impact of outliers and provide a balanced measure of central performance trends. Standard deviation is particularly important because it measures variability and volatility within financial data, helping analysts evaluate risk and forecast reliability. FP&A spreadsheet guidance and statistical modeling resources emphasize that understanding variability is essential for evaluating financial stability, operational consistency, and forecasting confidence. Correlation and regression analysis are among the most valuable statistical tools used in FP&A because they help identify relationships between business variables and improve predictive forecasting models. Correlation analysis measures the strength and direction of relationships between factors such as marketing spending and revenue growth or production levels and operating costs. Regression analysis extends this capability by estimating how changes in independent variables affect financial outcomes. FP&A professionals use regression models to forecast sales, expenses, staffing requirements, and customer demand while identifying operational drivers that significantly influence financial performance. Interpreting regression results correctly is essential because finance professionals must assess statistical significance, model reliability, and business applicability before using outputs to support management decisions. Expected value analysis supports financial planning and risk evaluation by estimating probability-weighted outcomes across different business scenarios. FP&A professionals use expected value concepts in investment analysis, budgeting, scenario planning, and resource allocation decisions where multiple possible outcomes exist. Modern FP&A teams increasingly combine traditional statistical methods with predictive analytics, machine learning, and driver-based forecasting tools to improve forecasting accuracy and analytical efficiency. Research on machine learning within FP&A highlights the growing role of advanced analytics in identifying trends and supporting dynamic financial planning processes. However, finance professionals must still apply sound judgment, validate assumptions, and interpret statistical outputs carefully because analytical models are only as reliable as the quality of the underlying data and business assumptions. Finance professionals must understand not only how statistical calculations are performed, but also how to explain their business implications clearly to stakeholders and management teams. Effective interpretation of statistical functions enables organizations to improve forecasting reliability, strengthen risk management, optimize resource allocation, and identify operational opportunities more effectively. As organizations increasingly depend on data-driven decision-making and advanced analytics technologies, the ability to interpret statistical functions accurately has become an essential competency for FP&A professionals responsible for guiding long-term financial performance and strategic business planning.